back, friends. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of mechanical keyboards. A mechanical keyboard is a real treat for the fingers, as it offers a unique typing experience. They're designed to provide better tactile feedback and auditory response compared to their membrane counterparts, which are often found in regular keyboards. This means you get more control over your keystrokes and overall typing experience. These keyboards are a favorite among gamers, programmers, and anyone who spends a significant amount of time in front of their computer. The keys are usually larger than those on standard keyboards, making it easier to hit those tiny keys without mistakes. So, if you're considering an upgrade from your traditional keyboard or want to improve your typing experience, consider investing in a mechanical keyboard. They may be pricier than your average keyboard, but the benefits they offer are well worth the investment. That's all for today's topic. If you found